high on the rocky shoreline, to monitor lizard more quietly across the stone. From a distance, their slow, deliberate motion reveal how carefully they navigate their new habitat. Soon only remains alert and observant. It scanned the surroundings, aware of every sound and shift in the wind. A sharp glance to the left, and another to the right, making sure the area is safe before moving on. With a steady step, the monitor lizard climbs over the rock, using its powerful limbs and tail for balance. It finds a small meal and feeds calmly. As an opportunistic predator, it takes advantage of whatever food the environment provides. After feeding, it possesses the sun-warmed rock. Behind it, the waves rise and fall, creating a peaceful rhythm in the background. Later, the lizard moves into a green shallow river. Its strong legs allow to glide through the water as if walking on the surface. It continues forward, following the flow of the river with calm determination. Soon the landscape changes. The monitor lizard enters a forested area. Waving through branches and fallen leaves with quiet confidence. This individual is unusually large, its size and present resembling that a young Komodo dragon. Each step shows its strength and dominance in the wild. Finally, it returns to the water edge, moving through the mud as it continues its journey through this diverse and ever-changing habitat.